Hey guys, it's Adri with Usborne Books and More, and today we have a peek inside a fairy tale, Cinderella. Let's get started here. So, super detailed, gorgeous illustrations here. Okay, so a classic Cinderella story, of course. Fairy godmother appears. Mouse friends, bippity-boppity-boo! She's like, but I'm still in my rags. What will I wear? Oh, that's what I'll wear. And glass slippers, too. So she goes to the ball. And there's dancing. And she falls in love with the prince. But of course, the clock strikes 12 and she has to leave. Oh, so pretty. Look at that. So little kind of cutouts here, peekaboo. And glittery. I don't know if you can see that. And then pretty door cutout. Just really well made, big flaps, beautiful illustrations, and the classic stories that we love. Here we are. Thanks guys, we'll see you next time.